Hey there! So, let's talk about the interesting problem we have at hand. The problem involves selecting values from a SQL table and transforming them into an XML table with a specific format. We want the output to resemble a structured XML table with rows and columns, based on the data from the SQL table. Quite a fun little formatting challenge, don't you think? Now, diving into the solution provided earlier, let's break it down step by step. The SQL script begins by setting up a table with sample data and then querying this data to generate a raw XML output. This raw XML contains the data from the table in a nested structure, ready for the next transformation steps. It's like laying the groundwork for the XML table we want to create. Clever, right? Continuing with the solution, the XML output is then processed using XQuery. The XQuery script leverages FLWR expressions to dynamically construct the desired XML table format. By iterating over the raw XML data, the script intelligently generates the column names and fills in the corresponding values for each row. This elegant use of XQuery simplifies the process and eliminates the need for manual intervention in specifying column names. Talk about efficiency. Lastly, the XQuery expression neatly organizes the data into the final XML table format we envisioned. The output is a beautifully structured XML table with rows and columns, showcasing the data from the SQL table in a clear and readable manner. The solution not only achieves the desired outcome, but also does so in a smart and scalable way. In summary, we've witnessed a smart and efficient solution to the problem of transforming SQL data into a structured XML table using XQuery. By cleverly leveraging XQuery's capabilities, we were able to automate the process and achieve a neat XML output. I hope you found this journey into SQL and XML formatting as fascinating as I did. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!